Weather is a big part of our lives. It tells us what to wear, what activities we can do, and even how we feel. Every day, the weather can be different. Sometimes it's sunny and warm, making it a great time to go outside, enjoy nature, or have a picnic. On other days, it might be cloudy, rainy, or even stormy, which means we might need an umbrella or stay inside. The weather changes because of the Earth's atmosphere and the way it moves. The sun heats the Earth, and as warm air rises and cold air sinks, it creates different types of weather. Clouds form, rain falls, and winds blow, all because of how the air moves around the planet. We also experience seasons like spring, summer, fall, and winter, which bring different kinds of weather. In summer, it's usually hot and sunny, perfect for going to the beach. In winter, some places get snow, and people have fun skiing and building snowmen. Sometimes, the weather can be extreme, like during hurricanes, tornadoes, or heat waves. These are powerful and can change the land and environment around us. That's why staying updated and preparing for different kinds of weather is important. If you enjoyed learning about the weather and how it impacts our daily lives, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can learn too. And remember, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more exciting topics like this.